Sonic.
All right, time for some Wednesday birthdays in the 4 states, and we're going to begin with Layla Marie Joy Sturm, celebrating birthday number 3. Says, happy birthday, baby girl. Love mommy, Dax, and Nana.
All right, next we have Audric Almum, turning 5 from Webb City. Happy birthday.
And we've got Cecily Kennedy in Goodman, celebrating birthday number 13. Happy birthday, Cecily.
Next we have a big 16, Bella Morgan from Carl Junction. Says happy birthday from Nanny, Sam, Uncle Earl, and the rest of the family. We love you.
And we've got Olivia Soper in Columbus, celebrating birthday number 18. Happy birthday, Olivia.
We have Amanda Beard from Columbus, turning 43. It says, I assume it's the lady on the left. They did not specify, so we're assuming it's the lady on the left.
Well, happy birthday regardless. We've also got Joanne Mayfield celebrating birthday number 46 in Joplin. She's a master cultivator at Elm Creek Farm.
Next we have twins Dan and Mike Yoger from Webb City, turning 50. Happy birthday.
And Richard and Linda Jameson celebrating their 7th anniversary in Pittsburgh. A very happy anniversary to the Jamesons.
And then we have David and Mindy Eddington celebrating their 26th anniversary from Columbus. It says with their 3 sons. Okay, that's with their 3 sons. Okay. I'm sorry. I was reading and not looking anyways.
Well, it's like you said, it's your Monday, so
It's
you know,
my,
man,
give me some grace.
you got to settle into it here. We've also got LD and Christine Curran. No, yes. See, now I can't read. So you see what you've done,
rubbed
Carrie?
off
Look
on
at what
you.
you have
sorry.
destroyed the birthday list.
Sorry.
We got LD and Christine Curran celebrating their 70th anniversary in Altamont. LD is the former superintendent for Labette County USD 506. A very happy anniversary to the Currans.
And then we have Heather Merritt turning 30 from Parsons, Kansas. Happy birthday, Heather.
All right, we had a great birthday and anniversary list until Carrie and I suddenly couldn't read anymore,
Yeah.
but we'll make sure we get better at this. Carrie, where do they need to send their birthdays and anniversaries?
They need to sign up or send their birthdays to birthdays@komnewsnow.com. Don't forget that's birthdays with the S at komnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out the news, the weather, the sports, and everything else on there, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you take time to sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club